Yeah, it's getting bad. It doesn't really activate itself anymore. You have to tip it upside down. That one touches the floor, but this one doesn't because there's something messed up with it. That one doesn't do it a lot, but he's a mini butt. This one, I don't really know why it doesn't go all the way to the ground. It wasn't dead that day. Ah! Darn. Oh, it activated itself that time. He's always the last one.